Hey there, Fit and Fabulous family. Today, we're going to talk about 7 tasty fiber-rich foods that you can easily incorporate into your diet. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system, and it can also help with weight management. So, let's dive in and explore these delicious and nutritious options. Number 1. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty when it comes to fiber content. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds provide a whopping 10 grams of fiber. You can add them to your smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal for a fiber boost. Plus, they're a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and protein. Number 2. Avocado. Avocado is not only a fantastic source of healthy fats but also rich in fiber. 1 medium avocado contains around 10 grams of fiber. You can enjoy avocado in salads, on toast, or even in smoothies for a creamy texture. Number 3. Lentils. Lentils are a versatile and delicious legume that packs a fiber punch. 1 cup of cooked lentils provides about 15 grams of fiber. They're also an excellent source of plant-based protein. You can use lentils in soups, salads, or as a meat substitute in dishes like tacos and spaghetti sauce. Number 4. Raspberries. Raspberries are a sweet and tangy fruit that's high in fiber. 1 cup of raspberries contains around 8 grams of fiber. Enjoy them as a snack, in smoothies, or as a topping for yogurt or oatmeal. Number 5. Almonds. Almonds are a tasty and nutritious nut that's high in fiber. A 1-ounce serving of almonds provides about 3.5 grams of fiber. They're also a great source of healthy fats, protein, and vitamin E. Snack on almonds. Add them to your trail mix, or use almond flour in your baking for a fiber boost. Number 6. Broccoli. Broccoli is a nutrient-dense vegetable that's high in fiber. 1 cup of cooked broccoli contains around 5 grams of fiber. It's also packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium. Enjoy broccoli steamed, roasted, or in stir-fries. Number 7. Whole grains. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are excellent sources of fiber. 1 cup of cooked quinoa provides about 5 grams of fiber, while a slice of whole wheat bread contains around 2 grams. Incorporate whole grains into your meals for a fiber-rich and satisfying option. Conclusion. There you have it, 7 tasty fiber-rich foods to add to your diet. Remember, fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and can help with weight management. So, give these delicious options a try and let us know your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fit and Fabulous for more health and wellness tips. Stay fit, stay fabulous.